the resin pour today, and I'm measuring the table, making sure it's leveled. And yeah, it's leveled all the way. I want to say hi. Thank you to my subscribers, to all my likes. I appreciate you all being here with me and watching me do this. I'm going to do some silicone molds that I got from just for you online UK. These are really beautiful molds. I'm sure you've seen a few around there. Everybody's been doing them. And I wanted one, so I got myself a set because I do make some nice diet Coke, cupcakes. And they're good to put your cupcakes on, so that is why I got these three. A big one. It's 3 tiers. You just put your cupcakes on it. And as you notice, I got glitter everywhere. As long as it's not inside, it's on the outside. So you can always wash the glitter off with some alcohol. It comes off easily with alcohol. That one doesn't have glitter. This one doesn't have glitter. Okay, let me just try to wipe this one down with a little alcohol. I use only 91% alcohol when I'm doing resin art. For resin art, you gotta have 91%. It can't be less than 91% because it will not work with resins. All right, so let me. Well, it's on the outside, it's not inside. So once it dries, I'll try to take it out again. But yeah, I want this level, so I put it on top of an MDF wood board. I put this through it, put it on my table, put some nice cupcakes on it, or sell it. I'm wearing a different mask. This is an N95, which is the best mask that they sell, that they have in the hospital. When I used to work in the hospital, I used to have a whole bunch of them, so I kept a few. So I'm going to put part A first. This is from the Theepoxyresinstore. Their resin is excellent. I used it before. Yeah. So it's called liquid diamond casting resin. So I'm going to put part A first in the container. And it comes like double seal. They also, they like sometimes double box them. So, because they could spill, while the guys. And it says no VOC. It's a resistant moisture, heat, and yellowing. Extra low. Cures crystal clear. So you gotta stir it and really stir it good. Now, because it's a 2-to-1 ratio, these type of 2-to-1 ratios don't have that much bubble. And they're really, really good. The viscosity is a little bit, lower. And it dries faster. So, look, you don't have almost any bubble. You just stir for 3 to 5 minutes until it becomes super clear. So make sure you do that. It should be like it is right now, minus 72. And the humidity is 35. So you definitely want to use resin in those careful, temperatures. And just seal this back up before you throw it out. You don't want to throw resin in the garbage ever. I put on the side because I want to use this purple chunky glitter. I'm going to try to use it for the edges of my mold. And hopefully I have enough for all 3. Looks like I don't have enough. But if I don't, there's another opal chunky paint that I have in there. So I could use different colors for the mold. And this is a silver glitter. This one is a silver spark from Laura's Art Corner. It's a very nice silver. So I'm going to put the silver first. Here we go. And I want to put it in the middle here. That's where I want the silver to be. Mostly in the middle. Let's create a circle there. not be an even circle, but it's okay. I don't know. I'm using this for, maybe I will sell it. Let's see how it turns out, right? Try not to get it on that thing because you need to pull that off at the end of it. Yeah. Another circle here. Let's pour it on this side. Let's try not to get that middle part. Yeah. Very pretty. Somebody's gonna have some fancy dish trays. Yeah. Silicone dish trays. So, and don't worry about it. It could be just a little bit. It doesn't have to be a lot. Just enough that it will show once it dries, you know. It shows through very nicely. Along the edges, yep. You can also put gold leaf, because then that would be not good. I'm trying to stick it really against the wall. And once it dries, you can paint the walls. You know, the trimmings of gold. That would be so pretty. The old gold. Yeah. And this one we're gonna do with this. The same thing. Just do all sides and sides. Just get it all in there. A nice fancy dish. Oh, we're gonna have some fancy dishes for our cupcakes. And they're gonna be non-fat cupcakes because I can't eat fatty sweet cupcakes. I wish I could. That's for this corner right here. Yeah, sometimes you gotta stick your hand in the cup and let it all out. Yeah, looks good. Looks good. Let's hope it doesn't go all over the tray. And if it does, oh well. It'll be one big happy party in the tray. Yeah. What's the height there? Gotta get it all the way up. All the way up. Yeah. Oh, I have enough to do. Yeah. I do. Wow, perfect amount of resin, huh? Look at that. Now you know, guys, the amount of resin you need for these is what? How many ounces was it? 32 ounces altogether. Oh, it just spilled right there a little bit. That's okay. Put it back in there. Don't want to waste resin. Not me anyway. This is a little bit too close to that one. This one I have to bring it a little closer. Yeah. Make sure they're all right on there. So that's what I'm gonna do. Just kind of spread it that way so it could dry right there. Should have turned out beautiful. Okay. Let it just, yeah, there we go. I'll try to get the resin off of the middle here, because this middle we gotta take it out to put it right through the hardware, through the hardware that is. That is beautiful. Now, I don't have extra, so I can't do that little resin. That little, oh, that's okay. I don't have enough for another one, so that's okay. We'll leave it prepared like that poster, because then another day I could come and you could just clean these cans with, this is garbage, I'm used to cleaning, I'm sorry, but that's the way I am, and letting it set a little bit, so that way it can sit nicely. Let it set a little bit. Put a little bit of fire to it. Not a lot, because we just want to get it all. It's very little bubbles actually, so it can come out nice and clear. You can see right through it. That's what I want to do. Make sure. And you don't want to put the fire too close to it, the torch, because you then will have you will have no molds anymore. So just keep them straight. Okay, this one is good. These good here. Make sure you do it in the middle. I mean, you're not supposed to use a torch at all, but I always do, and I make sure that it's very, very low so that it is not really burning. I mean, really burning your molds. You don't want to burn your molds at all. Wash my paper to this side. And, yeah, I forgot to turn on my little lights in the background there. There's a lot of light here anyway. I didn't need the face mask. I didn't smell anything, so I'm not worried at all. 1% alcohol. I just wipe this down, and I'll put it right here, and I can reuse it tomorrow. That's it. Let's see what's going on here. Yeah, I don't want too much silver getting out of. I don't want too much silver getting out of line here. That's gonna be a big glitter. A big glitter bomb. But I like it. It'll be my glitter bomb. Because I like it. Yeah. So the party going on in here. Yeah, big party. Big party. Alright, here's the first tray with the silver running there. I like it. It's going to be nice once it dries all up, like a little spider there in the middle. Alright guys, see you tomorrow when I put these hardware on it. And that is it for now. Love ya. Bye-bye. Hi all. I just resined this one too. I figured might as well. While I'm here, I might as well resin this one as well. So I resin it. Just going to wait for it to dry. Hopefully it dries good. Those are still there. And I did a coaster. There we go. With some gold leaf in the bottom. Look at the gold leaf. Yep. So that's it, guys. Let's see what tomorrow looks like. Bye-bye. Love you all. God bless.